YouTube world? Today we're going to learn how to make line animated stickers for Line Messenger. So I'm Dean Jackson, aka D Melodies, recording artist, motivational speaker, businessman, etc. etc. Let's jump right in, guys. So first thing you need an illustration software or an animation software. So if you have Adobe Illustrator, that's good. You can use Photoshop, but I prefer Illustrator. You'll also need this application called Animation Image Converter if you're using a Mac. I think it's on Windows as well. There's a lot of options for Windows for APNG assemblers, and that's the name of the most popular one, APNG assembler. So where do you get this for the Mac users? Animation Image Converter. In the App Store, just type in APNG and let's see. Yes, so this is the one you want to get, Mac users. As I said, Windows, I ain't being biased, I use a Mac, but the Windows peeps, you have more options. Just search APNG converter, APNG assembler. This is what you need, okay guys? Alright, so these are the two pieces of software that you need. Of course, you need a Line account or Line Creators Market account, you know. Alright, so this is my character here. He's called G for Caesar Maple Leaf. Yes. So what I do, I create different layers. So I have one first image, then I copy and paste and tweak. So as you see, boop, boop, that's one, frame 2, layer 1, layer 2. When you're copying things, you know, you can just, you know, and then edit, copy, you know, there's the shortcut copy C. But once you bring it into a new layer, a nice trick you can do here is to press Command F, and that will give you the same exact position as your last frame or your last layer. Yeah, but we already did that, so let's delete that layer. So let's just run through the frames. So frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, he's getting bigger, 5, he's in the air, spinning, spinning more, spinning more, spinning more, bam, yeah, so about 9 frames, yeah, and then we want to go through and save each frame separately. There's probably a shortcut for that, I don't know it. If you know it, you know, leave it in the comments, make it easier for people, you know what I mean? So we go ahead and save this, save for web. Make sure you're saving in PNG. This size should be 320 by 270, all images, yeah. Then you go ahead and save. I already did that, so now I'm going to show you how we use this application, the Animation Image Converter. So where's my file? So I save these files here. So the APNG files I saved separately, I'm going to drag them into the APNG converter. As you can see, it's too fast. The lovely thing about this application, it's made for Line. Right here it says Line animation stamp, and this is the frames per second. This is the height that it's at now. So this height is wrong. We want to go and change that, but you know, we're just showing it as an example. And this is red, we want it to be green. So loops, frames per second, let's go down until we see this turn green, then we know we're kind of good to go, yeah. Oh, 4 seconds, 13 frames per second, 4 loops. Let's see how that looks. Whoa, bow, bow, bow. So this animation, at first I was gonna make it like he was like so in love he just floated away, but then I changed the frame order, because as you realize, the first frame and the last frame, they're the same. You need to kind of do that, because if I ended with this frame, you wouldn't know what it was. So guys, please be aware of the frame order. The first frame is going to be the image in the line store, so you need to maybe use the last frame for the first frame as well. That's very important. Tons of people got rejected because of that, yeah. So that's looking good. And then I just go here, press export, and I save it to my screen. And then I can upload it to the Line network, just keep doing that, uploading the animations. But guys, remember the size, yeah? The size. All right, so let's take a look at my finished product here. It's already on the Line Creators Market, GeForce Animated. Let's see some of the stuff I created. Yeah, nice. LMFAO, what you jam in, lit. Wow, this one could have been better. The masterpiece right here. Yeah, thank you, Irie. Let's roll. Pop bottles. No problem. I'm dead. Yeah, man. Okay. No. The classic cry. Bam. Nom. Good morning. Wake and bake. Peace. Drooling sleep. Happy. Chilling on the beach. Bye bye. So guys, I'm not any world-class designer or animator. I just taught myself how to do this stuff. So guys, you don't have to be no professional. You don't have to be good. Just create, guys. Just create some, so go and try, guys. Let me tell you one more time. You need animation image converter. Windows people, you need APNG assembler, but this piece of software right here is magic, guys. Trust me. Then you're gonna need Adobe Illustrator, and you're gonna have to make frame by frame, but you can cheat by copying and pasting, guys. So it's not difficult, guys, but it takes time. So guys, let's try and make some new era emojis, guys. All right, thank you for watching, and subscribe, because I will be teaching how to do a lot of things, from recording your own music, writing your own songs, ordering goods from China, starting a business in Japan. I'm going to be talking about a lot of stuff, branding, making your own iPhone cases, making your own keychains, making your own t-shirts, a bunch of stuff you can do to start business, guys. So, subscribe and leave a comment, share, tell your friends. All right, thank you.